Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to work in LVDT in Virtual Lab. So just go to vlab.co.in. In the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the electrical engineering part. Just click this electrical engineering. In that you will be getting a list of labs available there. So in that just go to sensors modeling and simulation lab. In this you will be able to see the list of experiments. So here in this list of experiments we are going to do the characteristic LVDT, that is linear variable differential transformer. Here we will be having a left hand side aim, pretest, theory, simulator, procedure, all this will be available here. You can able to see the construction working of LVDT and theories will be available, procedure will be available. Then in simulator just click the simulator and click here for simulator. You will be getting a screen where the linear variable differential transformer will be available. So the step 1 is to make the circuit. Just click the primary coil, drag and keep it here. Place the armature coil and in the armature coil place. Same secondary coil taken, drag, click it there. So we have made the circuit which is having one primary coil and two secondary coil. So here now we need to set the number of turns, supply voltage and supply frequency. In the left hand side the note is there, just keep a note on it. So supply voltage we can set the range from 5 to 15. For example, I am setting it as 5 volts and 1000 hertz. The number of turns also we can select. I am just selecting for 1000 hertz. When you click configure, you will be able to see a graph, that is LVDT. So here this LVDT represents the x-axis of voltage and y-axis of displacement. This displacement is here. We can change the displacement. Just change the displacement. When you click minus, the armature coil will move left hand side. That is the displacement will be having a value of in minus. So you can able to see the point wherever we are moving. You can able to see the point it is moving. So when we move the armature in other side, left side, you will be able to see the points. So displacement value will become in positive and it is varying. So at the range of displacement the voltage values will be vary. Here you can able to see the graph of voltage. So the displacement it also varies, you can able to see. So just make a note of it, note down the points at what displacement, what voltage we are getting, just note down, and this is the graph of LVDT. This is the experiment of LVDT, as it is very simple, you can easily do it. Thank you.